How to get 1 million views in one day. Listen, getting 1 million views in one day is not luck. It's strategy. First, pick a trending topic. Don't guess, look at what people are already watching. If it's hot, ride the wave. Second, your hook matters. The first 3 seconds decide everything. Start with something powerful like, "Nobody is telling you this," or "This is why you're not going viral." Third, keep it short and engaging. Cut out all the boring parts. Every second must make people want to keep watching. Fourth, use emotion. Make people laugh, feel inspired, or shocked. Emotion drives shares. Fifth, post at the right time and stay consistent. One viral video can change everything, but consistency keeps you there. And finally, always tell people what to do. Follow for more. Share this. Watch till the end.